So let's understand the HR tag in HTML, which stands for horizontal rule and renders a horizontal line in the page. So let me write the HR tag, and it is an unpaired tag. So it doesn't have an opening tag or closing tag, but it contains the opening and closing part in a single tag. If I save the file, you can see a horizontal line under the Thor text, and it has attribute which is color attribute, and I can write here red. You can see the line is now in red color. I can give hex values here also. So hash, let's say 0000ff. Save the file. You can see the line is now in blue color. It has another attribute which is width attribute, which accepts a value in pixels. So let's say 200 pixel. You can see the width of the line got decreased. If I write here 300, you can see the width of the line got increased. I can give here percentage values also. Let's say I give here 20%. And if I save the file, you can see the line is now 20% of the browser window. It will respect the width of the browser window or its parent tag. So if I increase the browser window, you can see the width of the line gets increased too. And if I decrease the width of the browser window, the line gets decreased also. But if I write here a value in pixels and save the file, you can see if I make the browser window bigger or smaller, the width is same all the time. It is 200 pixel. No matter the window or the parent tag how much big or small, the width stays constant. So let's make this 20%. Again, you can see it gets increased when I increase the width of the browser window. It gets decreased when I decrease the width of the browser window. This HR tag has another attribute which is the align attribute. By default, the value of the align attribute is center. So if I write center and save the file, you can see there is no change. But if I give here right and save the file, you can see the line is now in the right side of the browser. And I can give here, let's say left, and if I save the file, you can see the line is now in the left side. It has another attribute which is size attribute, which represents the thickness of the line. So if I give here 1, you can see the thickness got decreased. And if I give here 10, you can see the thickness of the line got increased. But in this size attribute, we have to give value in pixels. We can't use the percentage value. But in this width attribute, we can use value in pixel format or percentage format.